Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You thought we wasn't doing enough for the Super Bowl? What's wrong with you? We're going to do some barbecue wings, lemon pepper wings, garlic parmesan wings. Let's get it. So now I got my wings. I'm going to get them evenly distributed. I got a couple of packs of them, okay? Got another pack right here. Let's open these bad boys up. Struggling now. I got something for you. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Who ready for some football? That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's discard these packages, put them over here out the way. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut these wings off right here. There we go. Y'all think I'm gonna throw those away? No, sir. I can take that and use that and boil them and make some chicken broth out of them. Yeah. That's what real chefs do. You know, when you're throwing a Super Bowl party, and there's nobody gonna be here but me, my son, and my wife, but I can't wait till that game come on. I already have all my food prepared already, so put my scissors here to the side. I'm kind of even distribute these wings. I like the flats myself. Some people like the drums. I like the flats. Always keep your sanitizing towel around so you make sure you're washing your hands and your tube. I wipe my hands on the sanitizing towel. Now I'm going to put some olive oil on my wings. Just a little bit, just a drizzle. And I'm going to kind of massage them a little bit to get the olive oil all over all of them. So I think my first one is going to be barbecue. These here going to be my garlic parmesan. These here going to be my lemon pepper. Alright, so now I'm finna season them, okay? So I'm gonna use some garlic powder. And I'm gonna put garlic powder on all of them. I'm gonna use some accent. And use some accent on all of them. I'm gonna use some Tony Saturate. And on my barbecue wings, I'm gonna put some organic smoked paprika. Only on the barbecue, okay? On my garlic parmesan wings, I'm gonna put that special hickory garlic. And I'm gonna come back and put some onion powder on all of them. And of course I'm gonna put this lemon pepper, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some at the end too. So I got my oven going at 350. Let's massage these a little bit. And I don't want to mix the flavors, so I'm going to wipe my hands on my sanitizing towel. Massage these a little bit. Wipe my hands on my sanitizing towel. Massage these a little bit. Wipe my hands on my sanitizing towel. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add some more seasoning to it, okay? Lemon pepper on the lemon pepper. Hickory garlic on the garlic parmesan wings. My accent. Onion powder. Smoked paprika on my barbecue wings. And then I told you I was going to put some brown sugar on my barbecue wings. So let's get that. We're going to massage them up real good. I'm going to spray them out in the pan. Alright, so we're going to bake these boys about hour 15 minutes. Cook them real slow. I'm getting ready to do this honey whiskey barbecue sauce. So I'm going to saute my onions up. Get that peeling out of the way. Alright, take me a little butter right here, put in my skillet, get my fire going here, let's turn it up. Put that in there, let it melt down a little bit. Yes sir. We got it going on. Listen out that sizzling. Put these onions in there. And I want to get my onions to cook down. Yes sir. Look at that. Look at that. So I want my onions to caramelize. So I'm gonna move these over to the other fire. And you can get any cheap barbecue sauce. You can make your own. Today I didn't feel like making my own. So I'm going to put this in my pot. And I'm gonna use about a half a bottle. And I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of whiskey of your choice. I'm a Crown Royal man. And drop that in there. Oh my God, I need to drink some of that. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna put a little accent in it. Just a little bit. The Tony Saturate. Yes, sir. We're gonna do a little brown sugar, just a little bit. That's probably about a tablespoon worth. I'm gonna stir that up. Let's turn that fire down a little bit. You don't want it to scorch. Yes, yes. I can smell the aromas, baby. These onions are almost about where I want them. Almost, almost. Let them continue to go. Let's see how the barbecue sauce looking. It's kind of simmering a little bit there, baby. Yeah. And let's look at these onions. Oh, yes, 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 yes. That's what we want. That's what we want. Now I got my onions caramelized like I want them. I'm going to actually put them in the sauce. Whiskey barbecue sauce. Oh my God. Can you smell it? Now that's how the wing's supposed to look, baby. Barbecue, garlic parmesan, and lemon pepper. Ooh! Man, thank you for looking at Big Daddy's Cooking Show, the Super Bowl edition. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Last but not least, be safe.